thing from my side which I want to convey is that the smart city concept and the safe city, which this session is is deliberating upon, the smart city leads to safe city, which I visualize. Because when we think about smart city, my concept is that today I am sitting here. What is my age? I know this is my age. What is my caste? I know this is my caste. But when I want to certify it, that a certificate if I want to acquire, then how many hassles we have to face. The common people from a village, if he wants to acquire a certificate, a caste certificate, you see how pitiful his life becomes, because he has to go many times to the offices of competent authorities to acquire those certificates. So when we think of a smart city, then everybody has the mobile, everybody has many people have the smartphone. The concept of a smart city should be that the person, if he has mobile, he can acquire the certificates on that mobile only, or on that computer which he has. So that is the main thing. It will also reduce the footfalls in the offices. When commuters will be less, when people will visit the office physically in less number, then definitely crime will reduce. So it will lead to the safe city concept very easily. The second thing which I want to say, that in Kashmir, everybody wants to go to Kashmir. I went to Switzerland last year, first time. I saw that what is there in Switzerland? Kashmir is more beautiful than Switzerland. If you see the topography and the beauty which the God has given to us. But when we think of visiting Kashmir, the safety comes into our mind. Because when you cross Punjab and from Lakhanpur to Srinagar, how many times you are being frisked? That is the main problem. And to reduce those frisking, we should go for, as Saurabh has said, that chip technology is there. Transportation department, they can chip in. Your vehicle can be checked without your knowledge that your vehicle is being checked. Then we can keep the track by using different technology rather than stopping you and frisking you. So these are the things. But I will also like to utilize this forum for 2-3 things, because more than offering for solution, I will offer more questions, because we need many solutions in Kashmir. Our Prime Minister has launched 3 programs, Make in India, Digital India, and Skill India. So with this forum, I will request that if you want to come to Kashmir, rather than you ask the government that make the safety in Kashmir and then we will come, why don't everybody becomes part of making Kashmir safe? Make some software, because the climate is very good there. So we can develop some industries there of this software and hardware. We can definitely make some digital type of things in Kashmir. We can develop ESDM type of units in Kashmir, and we can make the people skilled there. When we engage the youth of Kashmir in all these 3 programs, definitely the safety will automatically come, because when they are engaged in the positive things. The third thing which I want to say, that the visibility. Today what we see, everybody is having mobile in one hand, but his second hand is at his pocket, because he is so afraid of the traffic, he is so afraid of the security that he has to, the second hand he is using in protecting his pocket. You see in NCR, even I live in Ghaziabad. So that is the main problem. So we have to see that how we can use these technologies to make the people secure. And the visibility of police. When we see the police, the common thing which we visualize, when we see the police, the people, we become more afraid of, because we are afraid of police today. They will frisk you. There are many things. So security must be, security is invisible and the police is visible. So smart city concept, smart governance concept, we have to think all these things. And I will not take much time now. Only thing is that doing the ease of business, that is the main thing, and everybody should be part of it. Thank you.